guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Precious Oyeleke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber filming all the way from the city of Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. I film about faith, relationship and lifestyle. Today I'm going to be talking about something very juicy and interesting. You know when I'm saying juicy, I'm really saying juicy. What am I even sounding like? But we get the point. I'm going to be saying something very juicy and interesting. I want to talk about Nigerians. Like Nigerians, I feel we are too judgmental. It's my opinion and I'm free to say my opinion, and my opinion is prone to change from time to time. But right now I feel Nigerians are too judgmental. We judge people too much. We don't always like to hear the sides of things, like people's opinion about things. Immediately begin to judge them. I can't post a picture on social media because I'm like, oh, people will judge me for this picture I want to upload. But I'm like, in the first instance, it's my page. I can choose to do what I want to do on my page. First of all, it is my page on my phone. I can choose to do anything on it. But anyway, Nigerians, we don't tend to understand that fact. And this thing not just limited to Nigerians. It also applies to people in general. People are judgmental. We are judgmental about the way people talk. We judge the way people talk. We judge people's opinion. We judge people's mindset. If I should cough, they will be thinking it's corona. If I should sneeze, they will think it's something. They should do anything, they're always attaching a problem to one thing or the other. In the course of July, this man died, Chadwick, that he was featured in the one of the main character in Black Panther. When this like it was like when he died, that's when we got to know that he had cancer. And I was surprised that when I started seeing that some people said that people were judging him on Twitter last year. And I'm like, first of all, what's our business? Yes, he's slimming down. Keep your opinion to yourself. You don't know what the guy is battling with. You don't know what he was going through. And they're like, people were judging him, people were insulting him that he has added, that maybe he's on drugs, that he's slimming down, maybe he's thinking. I was like, what's your business? Now the man was struggling through cancer for 4 good years. 4 years struggling with cancer. And people were still talking. People were still some people were talking, were judging him. Like during those 4 years, he was going through chemotherapy, he was going through surgery, and this man was still doing what he likes. He was still helping, like showing this black culture to the world. This black, our culture was showing it to the world, like black is good and black is everything. And people were still judging him. The same people that celebrated him, I see the same people judging him. I'm very sure because some of the people that are judging him will be some people that have also watched his videos, like watched his films and they enjoyed it. Please, we need to stop that attitude. We need to stop that habit. We should learn to mind our business. Like minding our business is no longer a thing in this world. We need to learn to mind our business. Like if you see someone that want to enter into a well, if you tell the person that please don't enter into a well, that's all. You don't need to, there's constructive and destructive criticism. A lot of people most time say destructive criticism. We destroy people with our words. We destroy people with the way we reply. Oh, I can't be someone that, oh, I am, please, is this dress nice? The next thing the person will say is, ah, the color is not rhyming well. Oh, can you come? Like, is that what you're supposed to say? Even if it's not nice, just that, oh, the dress is just for you. If we don't know any other compliment to say, at least we say something like this is just for you. The person don't know why the dress is nice or it's not nice. That person will be saying that, oh, and it's just there. Like it just doesn't make sense. Please, we need to learn to stop being judgmental. We need to just take people for who they are. Like now, if you are trying to change somebody, I always sense that, oh, you are like this. Even God is not judgmental. Then how much more we that He created? If God is actually judgmental, He would have wiped us from the surface of the earth since, even before this whole issue started. He would have wiped us out. And that is why God is still trying to give us grace. Then give people grace. Since the God that created us is giving us grace, then give people grace. Give them the proximity of doubt. Give them the fact that, oh, this person can make mistake. This person is prone to make mistake. Give everybody grace. Even your loved ones, your family, people that we trust the most, people that will watch their content the most. Give them the proximity of doubt. The end of it is that we are still man and we are human. Like the best of man is a man, the worst of man is still a man. So if you understand that fact, you get to know the fact that we are still human and we are prone to mistakes. Don't be too quick to judge. We are too quick to judge. Please don't be too quick to judge. Everybody watching these videos, please make up your mind that for the rest of this year, for the rest of our life, we choose not to judge people. Like, you can make it a conscious habit. You can begin, if you work on it and begin to say, oh, today I won't judge anybody. I won't judge anybody. Because sometimes, because we are women, we tend to judge too. But we just try and be like, oh, I won't judge anybody today. I won't judge anybody today. And you won't. If you make up your mind about it, you won't. Please stop judging people. No matter how you, like, I'm just emphasizing the point. I want to touch on one last thing. Is that on social media, I call them typing warriors. Those typing warriors, we need to take all of them to the hospital to go and test them whether they're actually okay. Because somebody can be addressing a particular point, and next thing in the comment section is that, eh, what is it? Your own opinion. Said I saw someone's someone posted the picture of that Chadwick, and it was like, oh, he's a hero, they're celebrating him today. New people were just like, the person was writing a very good tribute to him. And next thing someone made down in the comment section is that there is killing in South Kaduna, that these celebrities are not even taking out time to even publicize that people can pray for them and everything. And I'm like, many celebrities have talked about this South Kaduna things. I've seen it on their platform. The people I follow, I've seen it on their platform. They've been advocating for it. At least I can choose to advocate for anything I want on my platform, whether I'm a celebrity or not. I think we should begin to understand this fact. We are human. And we started judging. I love what the celebrity said. He said you can also use your own Instagram page and tell your followers to also pray for the killings in Kaduna. Simple. The person don't even the celebrity do not even insult the person. You only state a fact. You can also use your own page to also do that too. So please and please stop judging people. Stop judging people. We don't need it. We really don't need it. Please, if you enjoy my content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Because the guy was doing this video, doing this gish gish, I should just check everything out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please stop being judgmental. Show love to everybody around. The greatest gift we can give to anyone around is love. Show love to your friends, show love to your neighbor. Even if someone is going through bad situation and the person not telling you about it, still show love to them. Before you judge someone, first show them love. If you show them love, then after, if you show them love, you will be judgmental. Because if you bear so much love in you, you won't want to judge people. You will have this ability to be like, oh, this person can make this mistake. Like, you have the proximity of that person can make this mistake. This person is still human. So please show love to humanity. Don't be too quick to judge. Be too quick to show love. If you are too quick to show love, then humanity and earth will be a better place. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.